Even during the First World War, submarines were actively used to carry out combat missions. Nowadays, 39 countries have submarines of different types in service, which differ in power plants, displacement, crew, and weapons. The crew of a modern submarine can reach 160 people and continuously stay underwater for several months. For this, there are various life support systems on a submarine. Water supply and sewerage are far from the last place. There are two types of toilets in a submarine, or more correctly, latrines. These are above-water ones for use when the submarine is in the surface position or at anchor, and underwater ones when the submarine is at depth. The appearance of the latrine on a submarine is somewhat reminiscent of a toilet in a train car, and the toilet is also equipped with a flush pedal. But unlike old trains, in which the contents of the toilet are poured directly onto the sleepers, in a submarine, this is not so easy to do. The thing is that the deeper the submarine is, the more pressure there is outside. And this pressure greatly exceeds the pressure inside the submarine, so if you simply open the drain hole, the sewage will not pour out, but on the contrary, the seawater will start to flow inside under pressure. What should you do then? Not carry all this sewage in some tanks throughout the entire trip, of course not. Engineers found a way out of this situation and designed an underwater latrine system. The contents of the toilet fall into a special cylinder, in which, with the help of compressed air, a pressure exceeding the pressure outside is created. And when you open the drain hole of this cylinder, its contents under pressure go straight into the sea. But if, due to inexperience, you press the flush at a time when the pressure in the system is higher than in the room, then the contents of the toilet will scatter throughout the room with great acceleration. To prevent such situations, there is a step-by-step instruction on how to use the latrine in the latrine. Its design involves more than 10 operations to flush. Which valve to open, which to close, at what pressure, and so on. And if you break even one of these operations, everything can end badly. Therefore, using a toilet in a submarine is not such a simple task as it may initially seem. Please like and subscribe. There will be many interesting videos ahead.